Okay, everybody, so here is our potato plant, and it's the end of the season. I think we're just gonna harvest, and so here we go. Oh, there's potatoes. There's a couple small ones, but that's a good size. Oops.
And here, this one.
Keep going. Oh, there's another baby one on there. Pull it, yeah. Just drop that. Grab another one. They're all in the ground. You have to dig around in the ground for them.
Oh, brown.
Yeah, nice. Here. Okay. Keep digging.
Potato.
Potatoes are in the ground. Dig, 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 dig.
Yes.
Nice.
All tiny ones.
You gotta dig a little deeper. They're kind of down in there. Look at that little one. You just keep moving around. Yeah. Okay. I'm pulling the stalks. You have to dig deep. Yeah, keep going. There's gonna be a lot in there. Dig like way down. Yeah. Yeah, see? You gotta dig really deep.
How long have these been in here?
All summer. Dig deep. Yeah. You like really, there they are, see? Keep going, they're down there. We might just tip this thing out, huh? Look.
We can make french fries, we can do bake, oil.
Ooh, that's a good size one, huh?
That's so cute.
Let's see how many potatoes we get out of one potato
Hey,
plant
Rebecca,
in a
take
pot.
this one. Okay, that's too small.
Okay. All right, dig it. Dig down.
Oh.
There's another one. There's more. Ooh, big one.
Good job, Rebecca.
Yeah. Okay, so here's the potatoes in the bowl. And it's kind of hard to see this, but it looks like it's about 7.5 pounds. The half pound for the bowl. Call it 7 pounds of potatoes. From one single potato that was about this size, we got 7 pounds of potatoes, and it only took a couple of months. So awesome, right? We're gonna put these out in the garage in a single layer and let them dry out for about a week, and then we'll clean them off and probably eat them all.